Hello and welcome back to the channel. In the earlier video we learned about KNN or K nearest neighbor. In this video we are going to practice KNN in Python code. So let's get started. The first step is to import the libraries. So let's import libraries. Step 1 is importing libraries from sklearn dot neighbors import kneighbors classifier. Kneighbors classifier is the KNN algorithm for scikit-learn. Another is from sklearn dot model selection import train test split. So this will split the data into training set and the testing set. Next we have is from sklearn dot metrics import accuracy score. So this will measure how well the model predicts. And last is import pandas is PD. This will help to create and manage the dataset in the table format. Step 2 is creating a dataset. Step 2 creating a data set. Data equals to this one, and then our first input is temperature. So in this example we are going to predict whether a person will buy an ice cream based on the temperature and the humidity, which I have explained in my earlier video. So let's keep the input for that condition. So temperature is one of the input, and here I will give 30, 25, 20, 22, 28, 35, and then 40, and comma, and next is like humidity, and 70, and then 65, and then 60, 50. These are random data. And 5, 80, 85, and then close. And next is the buy ice cream. Ice cream. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay, and finally I'll close this braces. So here we make a data set with temperature, humidity, and whether a person buy ice cream or not. Like 1 means yes and 0 means no. df equals to pd dot data frame and then data. So df is a table of this data. X equals to df and then temperature, another is humidity, and y equals to df, and then buy ice cream. So here x is input, that is temperature and humidity, and y is the output, that is buy ice cream or not. Next step is to split the training and the testing dataset. So step 3 is train and the test split. Okay, then x train and then x test and then y train y test equals to train test split and then x comma y comma test size equals to, I will give 0.3, and then random state equals to 42. Okay, so this will split the data into 30% for testing set and 70% for training the model. Next is step 4 is for creating the KNN model. So model equals to k neighbors classifier and then n underscore neighbor equals to 3. So this creates a KNN model with k equals to 3. This will source for the 3 nearest neighbors to decide. Another is modeled dot fit and then x train comma y train. So this will train the model using the training data. Step 5 is prediction. Now let's do the prediction. So y pred equals to model dot predict and then we will give the x test, then we will print accuracy comma accuracy underscore score and then y test comma y pred. Okay, so this will predict the labels for the test set and the first one, and the accuracy score, you will compare the prediction with actual answers and this will print the model accuracy. Step 6 predict for new case. So prediction equals to model dot predict and then I will give the input like 24 temperature and the humidity is 57. Okay, then print will buy ice cream, question mark, comma, yes, and then if prediction 0 equals to 1, else no. So this will predict for a new input, that is temperature equals to 24 and humidity is 57. Then if the model is output, then a person will buy ice cream. If it is 0, then a person won't buy ice cream. Now let's run and see. See, we get the accuracy score at 0.66 and in the will buy ice cream, the answer is no. Therefore, the result is 0. That means a person will not buy ice cream at the temperature 24 and humidity 57. Now, if I change the data into like temperature 31 and then humidity is like 71, let's run. So it is yes in this condition. Okay, this is the example of KNN or K nearest neighbor in Python. I hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.